to them here with YGWigs once more. I got my package in, you know, one of their regular branded drawstring bags. I got some goodies. So before I look into the bag, what I got in here, I received a cute headband. It's all black. That's nice. I got like another headband, a printed one. I got a edge brush and comb. 2 of these clips. I got a $5 gift card. A wig cap. And so like a little magazine, Why Wigs Inspire Your Beauty. It's nicely done. Presentation is really nice and simple, you know. This is nice. It's like a mini magazine. This is cute. So you're seeing different styles in there and stuff. So this is really nice. So that's everything that came in this bag. And then we have the box. It's branded YGWigs, just the same like bag. And oh, they have it like in tissue paper in here. So we're gonna see. Okay guys, so for today's wig, we're working with something completely, well, a little different. So I'm excited and intrigued for this. It's a headband wig, but it's not just any headband wig, because it's a lace headband wig. You're really like, why is there still lace on a headband wig? I think this is going to make it look even more realistic, because like beneath the headband portion you have lace. So you know, it looks like there's an actual parting behind there, and you could do your edges in the front. And the headband portion is elastic. And the headband portion is a design. It's not just blah, it's not just black, it's not just boring. And it has YGWigs branded on the back. And it looks really good. It gives quality. It screams quality. It looks good. It has the whole Velcro action in the back, so you can adjust it to make it tighter. It's stretchable, because as I say, it's like one of those elastic bands that you use when you're applying your wigs. That's the feel of it. So inside of it, this is how it looks, you know, like a closure or a T-part wig. So that's where the lace portion is. So it's the very first headband wig I'm getting that looks like this. No, the cap portion, it's not like a regular wig cap. It's very breathable. So like I could push my fingers through it. Like it's very, very breathable. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. 5 combs actually. So yeah, it's very different. It's a pretty solid construction. It's a body wave, by the way. It comes pre-curl. It's really nice. Like I don't even think I have to go in further with this and curl this up again. Look at that. It's nice, bouncy. It's a 22-inch body wave texture, by the way, and it's 180% intensity, and it's a natural color. This is really nice. I love this headband wig. This headband wig win. It's different, and I love the convenience. I wish they would start putting this whole lace portion in the back of all of them, because like you could just make it look so natural, like it's actually a lace front you have installed. So yeah, now that we see how that looks, I'm going to jump into putting it on. Just go ahead and adjust like your adjustable straps to where you'd like it to be, however tight you want it to be. Just adjust it within the cap. Yes, and then you can proceed to making the band as tight as you want. I feel where it's at, I'm going to, or maybe, yeah, I could put it like right, and it holds really well. So I'll put it like to right there, and then I'll just put it on. I just completely love the fact that lace is included in this. This headband wig is top notch. Okay, this is top quality. I love the fact that they went ahead, revamped the idea, and came back with an even more realistic looking headband. So that's how it looks there. Oh, and I don't have to go in and curl this or anything. The curls are already so nice. Like this is so easy. Like wig slay in a minute. Like in a minute. just do your edges to your liking. If you don't want to do edges, you don't have to do edges. Oh my gosh, I'm just running my fingers through this. Oh, the hair is so nice. Shedding minimal. So I have 2 strands so far. It's very full and nice. You could definitely wear this wig out on date night, wear it out on a lunch date. Like, I love the headband portion. Leopard print is always a print that I like, so I really don't have any problems with the print. And I love the fact that they sent a headband, you know, they sent a black headband. So let me show you guys how that looks. This is the headband, right? And you know, I have a lot of headbands, but I don't want to have like a solid black one. I did have like maybe like 2, but I don't have those anymore, and I've been wanting one, and most of them that I have is like pattern. So I love the fact that I have this full-on black like bowed style headband. So I'm gonna just show you how it looks. Okay, so it's kind of hard to camouflage the leopard part, but you get the gist of how it's looking. It kind of gives me a vibe like an original headband one. But yeah, that's how the black headband looks already. You know, if you want a more discreet look, you could go ahead and apply that. But yeah, this is it. Super bouncy, very nice natural color, you know, that 1B vibe. The curls are full, luscious, a very nice like luster. It doesn't give like that unrealistic vibe. It looks really cute. Let me know what you guys think about it, because I know based on feedback that I've gotten from a lot of you guys, like a lot of you really find the headband wig so convenient to wear on a daily basis, especially like if you work and you just want to have your hair in a protective state. Headband wig is just a go, especially if you don't want to push your edges too much, or if you don't feel like doing the edges. It's just like, you know, so easy. So the fact that they're improving it to look even more realistic, it's a whole vibe, and that I love. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link in my description box. And yeah, no, this video is pretty to the point today. It's so short, it's so quick. It's a wig application, as you know, under a minute. You know, it's too easy. It's too easy. So if you found this informative, you know, if you like the concept of the new headband wig, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. And if you're interested in purchasing it, just check out my description box. The specifications will be listed down there again, and the direct link, as I've said before. And that's it for today's wig look. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and like, just go and make up on yourself. Like that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.